EasyPianoOnline. Hi everyone, today we will learn the song All I Ask of You from The Phantom of the Opera. In this video tutorial we will learn the first part. The second part is on the website, please see it. Begin learning the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with second finger on D. C, D, E. Repeat the E with fourth. G, E, D, C, D. One under on E and together. Fourth finger plays A. First is on E. G, F, E, then G, D, second is on E, and together, fourth is on G, F, E, G, D, second finger plays D, C, D, E, repeat the E, G, E, D, C, D, one under on E, and together. Fourth is on A, G, F, E, G, D, fourth is on G, D, G, and fourth on B. Okay, now let's look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth and third fingers on C and E, then C, add the E, C, E, G, C again, and G. Now together C and B, and C, F, A. Now we have B flat F, fingers 5 and 1, and B natural G, fingers 5 and 1. Fifth is on C, and G, C, E, G, C, E, G, 5, 3, 1, C again, second is on G, B, and together C, F, A, fingers 5, 2 and 1. Now B flat and F, and B natural and G. Now we will combine hands together. Left hand begins with fingers 5 and 3 on C and E. Right hand second finger is on D. Together, together. Together, left hand C and B flat, right hand first is on E. Oh, sorry, B, not B flat, B natural. Right hand third is on G, F, E, and together left hand C, of A, fingers 5, 2 and 1, right hand third is on G. D, E, together left hand C, right hand E, D, G, and fourth on B. This is it for part 1 for All I Ask of You. Please see the website for part 2.